sessions that we've been having with a lot of experts.
Immediately something that you can implement straight away.
I really like the live sessions.
I like the entire program a lot. It was really amazing.
I really could recommend this session for everyone who is interested in the AI technology.
It covered end-to-end digital topics.
The concept of hyper-automation was something that I have never explored like in its entirety.
Also the training about project management, about change management.
To all of the leaders and all of the experts that we've been having here, really now I can see that even HR, procurement and other departments can use it.
It helped us really to navigate single different tools that we have.
That was the exciting part, how we can bring these projects about in our corporate world.
I like it a lot because I found it really useful.
That was really inspiring, and I'm really glad I could take part of it.